when you're toning out an electrical circuit, you want to use a multimeter. I use the Fluke T5 1000. So in order to tone out a circuit, you just need to strip the wires, pick two of them. Pick the black, pick the white, black and white, black and ground, white and ground, it doesn't matter. And then we're gonna get our meter out and we're gonna set it to ohms, okay? And then we test the two leads, your black and your red. You wanna hear a ring. If you hear that ring, you know that these two leads are working. So right here, we're gonna touch these two wires together. And on the other end, my guy's over there and he's actually gonna be taking the black and the white and touching them together at about 3-second intervals, like this. So we're gonna hear that noise. So if you can hear, he's tapping it on the other side right now. So we know that that is for our fireplace.